So finding your seated position, be sure that you're sitting just slightly forward on the sits bone so that you're not rolling back and putting pressure on the lower back. So tilting the pelvis just a little bit forward. Roll the shoulders back and down, and you can put your fingers on top of the shoulders and find that little bump that's the end of the collarbone. It's called the acromion process. And I like to think of that as being right over the top of the hip. So the iliac crest, or the top of the hip bone, and the acromion process should be aligned. So you might notice if they're a little bit forward or a little bit further back. So find that just right Goldilocks spot there and let the arms relax. Find the length in your spine. This is the tallest that you ever get. First thing in the morning when you've just spent a whole lot of time horizontal and you've taken the compression out of the discs between the vertebrae. So appreciate that length in the spine. And close your eyes for a moment because it allows us to just come inward and pay attention. Find your breath, and you might put a hand on your belly. And notice that as you inhale, the belly expands, and as you exhale, the belly softens. So this is deep diaphragmatic breathing. Instead of just allowing the chest cavity to expand as you breathe in, you really want to feel that the whole torso opens like a barrel. As the lungs fill with oxygen, the diaphragm moves down, the belly moves out. And as you exhale, everything draws inward. Notice the phrasing of your breath. Whether the inhale and the exhale are of the same length or different, without any judgment, just observation. And if you've experienced any stress or tension getting to class this morning, you might want to think about lengthening your exhale. Breathing in and very slowly letting it out. This engages the parasympathetic nervous system, the relaxation response that turns off the stress response and allows the nervous system to calm, which can also reduce pain. We'll begin class by sharing 3 ohms together, a nice opportunity also to extend that exhale and to feel a sound vibration that moves through the body. Inhale together. Feel the effects of that sound vibration in the body and in the space around you.